Alright, for the first step, you're just going to want to grab a plain sheet of paper and just fold it right in half like this. Try to get it as even as possible. And then what you're going to want to do after that real quick is just fold little corners to the center of your fold. Just like that. Make sure it's all tight, and there you go. Alright, now for the second step, you're just going to want to take those folds and fold them like you did in the first step. Just like that, over the first fold. Press it out, make it nice and smooth. And do the same thing to the other side, like this. But you're not quite done. You're going to want to do the same thing you just did to the first fold again to the second fold, just like this. Now while you're doing that, you're going to want to watch the tip, because you don't want that to get all messed up, because then your plane's not going to fly as well. You're just going to want to do that to the other side, just like this. And there you go. So step 3 and the final step, you're going to want to take it by the bottom and kind of fold it in just like that. Just grab the two tips and just push in from the bottom just like that, but you want to get it as even as possible because you don't want a wobbly plane. And you're just going to press it down and just make sure everything's folded correctly, and there you go. But if you want it to fly a little better, you're going to want to fold the tip in. I know it sounds funny, but it does actually fly better like that, and just fold it, pinch it like that. And yeah, just refold everything, and there you go.